In my work, I talk a lot about the power of wonder, this sense of childlike wonder that's reawakened when you are able to see new possibility, when you're able to see magic in the world around you. That wonder can be transformative to everything from leadership, work, life at home, relationships, even how you raise your kids. So what is it about wonder that's that powerful? Well, if your wonder is reawakened, it gives birth to curiosity. We like to think as curiosity as wonder in action. If wonder, once awakened, makes you a more curious person, well, now all of a sudden the roof is blown off when it comes to possibility of creativity and innovation. There are chemicals in your brain that are released when you are a curious person, but there are two different types of curiosity. One is a sort of faux curiosity, an obsession with understanding. That came from the birth of the information age. We all carry around these supercomputers in our pockets that give us access to the answer to any question. So if you find yourself in awe or curious of how something works, what do? You just Google it. You watch a 30-second YouTube video. It's no wonder that we have been sort of psychologically reconditioned to feel uncomfortable with wonder. And so curiosity is born to help us understand. But the brain chemicals that are released that are connected to things like creativity and innovation aren't released when our curious drive exists only to find answers to satisfy us. There's a different type of curiosity that's linked more to a desire to explore, to venture into the unknown, to be comfortable with mystery, knowing that there's value to discover along the way. If genuine childlike wonder is awakened, it gives birth to that type of curiosity. And then all of the brain activity and chemicals that are released connected to creativity and innovation are active. And that will make you and your team incredibly innovative.